Okay, I'm really excited right now because my favorite YouTuber literally just like I friended him and he accepted it, and I'm really excited because he's like my favorite YouTuber and he's in here. My favorite YouTuber, him. So yeah, I'm really gonna follow him. So since he says he's like really close to being level 25. And I know how like I want people like to help me up, cause it's level 12. Okay, I know level 12 is horrible, but so I decided to friend him because I wouldn't think that he would accept it, but he did. So I friended him, and he accepted my friend request just now. And I decided to record it because it's like so exciting that my favorite YouTuber just subscribed to me, and I mean not subscribed, like accepted my friend request, and he's like my favorite YouTuber, so I'm really excited. I really won't change my outfit. Yeah, I really want to change my outfit. I was like, I'm wearing this too long, anyways. Singing my selfie song. Selfie, 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 selfie. Okay, I'm done. So, yay! No, no, no. Okay, just gonna do that. Okay. Should I do that? That hat off. That hat off. And then just go. I should wear the pink up now. Sperry's I'm on fleek. Okay. So thank you so much for accepting my friend request, and yay! Yay! I'm like really excited. I really don't know exactly why, but you like my favorite YouTuber, so I was like, thank you so much. Subscribe to him. He's awesome. Give him mottos, everything. Yes, yes, yes. Do it. Just do it. Just like Jasper Swag. Subscribe. So, thank you so much.